morning, CHS, and welcome to a very thrilling episode of BNN. I am your anchor, Violet Rogers, and today we're going to be talking about drones. Now on to Natalie and Cole.
So the drone course at Coleman High School is a collaboration between Ranger College and Coleman High School. It's a dual credit course. It's offered every fall through Ranger, and one of the ideas is to teach the students enough about the Part 107 exam so that they can take the FFA test and get certified to fly drones commercially. We meet 5 days a week. Right now it's during fifth period. 4 days a week, Monday through Friday, or Monday through Thursday. Typically, we're going to cover material that they need to know for the Part 107 exam. And every Friday we try to fly. Just depends on the weather and if everyone's here or not. Right now I have 3 students in the class, and so and we have drones from ACE that they allow us to use, and so we get to fly these drones every Friday.
Asian American woman to win the title of Miss Texas in 85 years. It's a long time. And representation is very important, especially in the work that I do, and especially in the small towns that I grew up in, similar to the towns that you grow up in now. So I'm really excited to teach you how to grow confidence, how to grow an appreciation for what makes you different.
I'm Calvin Bush for BNN. The Coleman Blue Cats had an interesting game on October 7th against the Toller Rattlers. With the final score of 16-6, the game was very defensive from the start. It was a good game with some extravagant plays and some devastating tackles for the Toller Rattlers. With Coleman just 10 points behind at the end of the game did not go as the Blue Cats had wanted, but they continued to push through and fight to the end. I'm Calvin Bush for BNN.
Her favorite memory from the season is growing as a family in softball teams. Peyton's favorite part of the season was jamming out on the bus rides. Her favorite part of the season was everyone getting hyped in the locker room before games. In the future, Brittany plans to attend Charles hard work and dedication. Each of you have a bright future ahead, and we can't wait to see you.
Hello, I'm Xander with BNN, and here's your weather forecast for this week. Today we are going to have a high of 78 and a low of 48, and a 43% chance of rain. Saturday is going to be a chilly high of 65 and a low of 50. Sunday, we are going to have a high of 76 and a low of 52. Monday is going to warm up a bit with a high of 78 and a low of 50. And that's a wrap with this week's weather forecast. Now back to Violet.
Thank you for joining us on this ever so exciting episode of BNN. I'm Violet Rogers, and have a great day.